Here is how you fix the new flashlight not working in your iPhone. But first, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. It really helps me out. Thank you. So we need to meet the two requirements. The first is we open Settings, and then General, About, and your iOS version needs to be 18 or newer. Head to Software Update to just update the software. Now my iPhone on the left is on the iOS 18. So what's going on? Well, let's turn on the flashlight correctly. So we first swipe down from the top right hand side of the screen. We look for the flashlight toggle and we long press the toggle to turn it on. If you see the basic controls here on the left, and you can slide up to change the brightness, slide down to reduce the brightness, this is happening because your iPhone has a notch. The new flashlight controls are only available for iPhone with the dynamic island. However, if you have dynamic island, there may be a second issue that you're facing. So on my iPhone in the left, I can go to the flashlight, right? And I can swipe to the left to make it so that the flashlight is more intense and is, pushing more light forwards. Or I can make it so the flashlight is shining in a wider spectrum. And I can just do that, and I can even swipe down to change the overall brightness. However, on my iPhone on the right, I'm trying to swipe to the middle and it's just not letting me. This is because the extra flashlight options like the beamform feature where the light is intensified, or the wide angle, is only available in iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is also available for iPhone 16 series. My iPhone on the right is the iPhone 15 non-Pro model. As this is not the Pro iPhone 15, it only allows you to increase the brightness, but the width stays the same. You can't change the intensity of the light. So Apple have made this very confusing, but hopefully this video removes the confusion.